This is a 5-minute update. This is a 5-minute update for March 25th, 2009. After spending part of the day higher and then lower in the afternoon, the Dow Jones Industrial Index closed slightly higher on Wednesday. There was mixed news influencing the stock market, including better than expected home sales and Bank of America and Wells Fargo ratings cuts. There is a silver lining when home prices drop, and that lining may mean more home sales. Buyers have been taking advantage of the lower prices, and obviously the banks are making some loans. Both existing and new home sales increased in February. Many economists expected sales to decline. The National Association of Realtors reported on Monday that existing home sales were higher in February. Lawrence Yun, chief economist for the association, said that sales were up 5.1% to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 4.72 million units in February, from a pace of 4.49 million units in January. First-time home buyers accounted for half of the sales, but sales are still 4.6% below the 4.9 million units sold in February of 2008. Existing homes include single-family units, townhomes, condominiums, and co-ops. Yun said the distressed home sales accounted for 40 to 45% of the transactions. Depressed homes are defined as homes that are selling for 20% or less than market value. The median price for all types of homes was $165,400 in February, down 15.5% from a year ago when the median price was $195,800, when conditions were close to normal. The median is where half of the homes sold for more and about half sold for less. There is good news in the new home market as well. The U.S. Commerce Department reported on Wednesday that new home sales jumped 4.7% in February. Although the figure is down 41% compared to a year ago, the seasonally adjusted rate is higher than January. This is the first time in 7 months that new home sales climbed. The sales rates differ throughout the country. For instance, they dropped in the Northeast and the Midwest, but were higher in the South and the West. There is still a glut of homes on the market, but at this rate, they should all be cleared out in about 12.2 months. In commodities news, gold closed higher Wednesday as investors hunted for bargains. April futures closed at $935 an ounce, while June futures rose $12 to close at $938 an ounce on the New York Mercantile Exchange. Reports suggest that some investors believe gold is on an uptick, so they are picking it up right now. Silver also closed higher Wednesday as May futures closed 8 cents higher to settle at $13.43 an ounce. Platinum and palladium were also higher. Light sweet crude closed at $52.77 a barrel. Not long after the NYMEX close, the ICE futures US dollar index was down 0.105 points at 83.753. This has been a 5-minute update. Remember to subscribe to our videos. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel.